Have you ever woken up in the morning, swung your legs over the side of the bed, and braced yourself for that ache in your knees? If you're a senior, you know exactly what I mean. Those creaky, stiff joints can make even the simplest moments feel like a challenge. But imagine, just for a second, waking up tomorrow and feeling relief. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you there's a natural food, something you probably already have in your kitchen, that experts say can help regenerate knee cartilage in as little as 24 hours? Let's talk about the humble avocado. Yes, you heard me right. Avocado isn't just trendy toast material. It's loaded with healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential nutrients like vitamin E, vitamin C, and omega-3s. These aren't just good for your heart, but can also help reduce inflammation and support cartilage repair in your joints. But it's not just about what's in the avocado, it's about the hope it brings. For years, doctors believed that cartilage couldn't be regenerated. But now, new research is showing us that the right foods can actually help your body rebuild itself, even in your golden years. So how do you use avocado to help your knees? Try eating half an avocado with your breakfast, maybe mashed on whole grain toast or sliced in a salad. Do this for a week and pay attention to how your knees feel. But here's the thing, healing is a journey. No two people are exactly the same, and what works for one person might take a little longer for another. It's all about giving your body the nutrients and love it needs to thrive. If you've been struggling with knee pain, don't give up hope. You deserve to dance with your grandchildren, stroll in the park, and wake up every morning without dreading that first step. And if you've tried avocado or have your own natural remedy that's worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else who's looking for relief. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of yourself. Sometimes the simplest things, like a piece of fruit, can make the biggest difference. Thanks for watching. Stay hopeful, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.